Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Adarsh Sunil Kumar. Today I will be discussing about a normal problem encountering during a upgradation or an updation in Ubuntu. The possible sign of this errors are like a black screen or a pink screen appearance, or there might be a that screen might stuck with a loading screen. So these are the possible sign of this particular error. So the possible reason for this particular error is basically because an upgradation or updation failure. Now I will be talking about the possible solution about this particular error. So as you can see, you have to start your computer first. Then as you can see the grub version here. Now you have to take the advanced option for Ubuntu. Click enter. So as you can see here, there are so many options like normal Linux, new Linux version and their corresponding older version, as well as there is an upstart as well as the recovery mode. You have to start with the recovery mode first. Click enter. It will take some time to load those. How to mount your file system in a read-write mode? For that particular thing, enter. For that particular thing, enter mount -o remount, comma read write followed by a slash. Then click enter. Then you have to get your username from there, which is enter who am I, which is the command for getting the username. So which will give, for me it's root, the login username is root, and if you want to get your password or if you want to reset your password, you can enter passwd and you can change your password as you like. So I already know my password, then there is no point in changing my password at this point of time. After changing the password, you have to enter Ctrl D so that you can get into this window, and from here you have to right click the resume, which is resume normal boot. Click OK and you will be prompted to do something like this. Never mind, click OK. There is no associated error. So if you have a kind of error, either now you will be stuck with a loading screen, or as I said, there might be a black screen appearance or a pink screen appearance. At that particular point of time, you have to enter Ctrl Alt F4. Now you will be prompted, or you will be getting a window like this. This is nothing but a virtual command window. So here you have to enter the login name as well as the password that you got from the previous root window. So you have to enter, as you know, I have to enter my root as well as my associated password here. So there might be a problem associated with it. So as you can see here, after entering your login name, that login credential, that is your username as well as the password correctly, you will be getting a window like this. So this indicating that everything is till it's perfect. So now you have to enter, for updating things, you have to enter sudo apt-get update as well as after entering. So there is no point in updating at this point of time for me. So you can see here, you have to enter sudo apt-get update. Entering sudo apt-get update, you have to enter sudo apt-get upgrade. So this after enter, you will be getting those upgradation and all those. You have to wait for some time, and after the updation and upgradation is over, you can enter either reboot or click enter, or you can enter shutdown -r no. So click enter. So this will after the reboot everything is okay. So Yeah, that's okay. Now there might be another problem associated with this particular problem. So there might be a brightness control your brightness control may not work after an updation. So there is a possible solution for that as well. I will be discussing that at this point of time. You have to enter Control Alt T for getting a terminal, and for here you have to enter sudo gedit, or you can use a nano as well, /etc /default /grep. Just open it, and you will be prompted to enter the password. You have to enter that, and it will take some time for it will be pop like this. So possibly your grep command line default will be look like a quick splash. So for that particular line you have to include an ACPI backlight vendor, as you can see here. Just include this plus enter Control S for saving this particular window, and just close the window. Made some modification in the grep file, you have to update the grep as well. So for that particular thing you have to enter sudo update grep, hit enter. You will be getting something. It will take some time. Updating the grep, you have to reboot. As I said, you can either use a reboot option, sudo reboot, or a shutdown -r now. So just enter this, it will reboot it, and everything will be fine. A quick summary, you can see what all things you did at this point of time. As you can see here, these are the problem statement and the possible reason, as I said, and these are the solution stuff we followed till now. And if you have any doubt, any comment regarding this, please comment under this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.